Hello children, today we shall be learning in details that why power sharing is desirable and why power sharing is very important in the nations. So my dear children, in my previous videos lectures I have explained to you in details that power sharing and power distributions is very important. If we are not sharing power, there will be conflict, there will be violence, there will be lot of social problems which will create disharmony in the society. So my dear children, in my previous videos lectures I have explained to you in details that the power sharing is very important, and when the power sharing was not happen equally in Sri Lanka as well as in Belgium, there was lot of problems in these two countries. So because of these two relevant stories of Sri Lanka and Belgium, we have understood that power sharing is very important. So dear children, especially when we see the cases of Sri Lanka, there we understood that when the majority wills imposed in the nations, which created lot of social setbacks as well as economical setbacks in the nations, the society was having disunity, disharmony, and there was civil war in the society. So due to the concepts of violence, we need to share the power in the society. If we are not sharing power, there will be conflict in the society. So my dear children, in my today's videos lectures, I shall be explaining to you about the two very regions, and because of these two very regions, the power sharing is very important, because there are two different regions that is reflecting the need of power sharing. The first one is called prudential regions. In these prudential regions, we have noticed that it is stressing the power sharing, and it is emphasizing that if we are sharing power, the outcome as well as the result will be very better. And apart from that, we have understood that these two very regions, that is known as the prudential regions as well as the moral regions, which is stressing here that it is the favor of power sharing. Why it is in the favor of power sharing? Because if we are sharing power, there will not be any conflict in the society. As we have noticed here that power sharing is very good. Why? Because it is reducing the chances of conflict. It is reducing the chances of conflict between the different social groups. So my dear children, in Sri Lanka, though there was a democratic structures of government, but there was imposing of the majority wills in the society, and due to that civil war happened in Sri Lanka. So thus we understood that if we are sharing power, then there will not be conflict in the society. So in Sri Lanka, the power sharing was not happening. The majority community, the Sinhala, they were imposing their whole will on the nations, and due to that created lot of conflict in the society. So thus we understood that if we are sharing power, there will not be any conflict in the society. And here, when the conflicts are happening in the society, it is leading to have many kind of confusion, many kind of social setback, many kind of economical setback, and at the same time it will have a very negative results, and the result is political instability. Political instability will be there in the nations, and when political instability will happen in the society, there will not be any kind of harmony in the society. rather than there will be disharmony. Apart from that, when the majority wills is imposed in the nations, the result is it is undermining the unity in the nations. That means there will not be unity in the society, there will not be the mingling of different social groups each other, rather than it is undermining the unity in the nations, and the same things was happening in Sri Lanka. So my dear children, here we understood that power sharing, it is a good way to ensure that the stability of political order will be there in the society. So when we are sharing power with different social groups, we are respecting each other, we are living together peacefully, we are giving equal importance to each other, and when we are doing such kind of activities, then it is creating a better society. There will be peaceful environment in the nations, there will not be any confusions in the society, rather than peoples will live together, stay together, and they will try to achieve better nations in the society. So my dear children, when we are having the concepts of inclusivisms instead of having the exclusivisms, the society will be very perfect. Why? Because we are promoting a concept of social harmony, and when we are respecting to each and every ones in the society, we are creating a better society, better nations, which will promote development in the society. So dear children, when we give preference to one social groups, when we give favor to one particular community, then that is a concept of discriminations. We are creating discriminations with another social groups. That will create disunity, that will create disharmony. There will not be unity in the society. There will be a chances of having conflict in the society. That is why, my dear children, the very first region of power sharing is prudential regions, and in prudential regions we have learned that it is stressing that power sharing is very necessary. Why? Because it is producing a better results. It is reducing the chances of conflict. It is reducing the chances of having political instability. It is reducing the chances of having the undermining of unity. It is ensuring stability of political order. That is why the first regions of power sharing is prudential regions, which is very important, and it is been stressed that power sharing is very important in democratic society. Why? Because we need to give respect to each other. We need to have mutual acceptance to each other, and when we have all these concepts, there will be a better society in the nations. And the second regions of power sharing is moral regions. And here, why we need to share the power here? Because it is been stressing here that the act of power sharing is very important. Why? Because it is the spirit of democracy. So since it is a spirit of democracy, we need to share the power here. Why? Because when peoples will be given equal importance, then what will be the outcome? The outcome is very positive. And what is the positive outcome? Peoples will live together. People will stay together. So dear children, since it is the spirit of democracy, in these moral regions, which is giving importance to power sharing, that in democratic government, all citizens are given equal importance. So since they are given equal importance, power sharing is very important here. And so when we are following the structures of democratic systems here, all citizens will be equally consulted. They will be given importance. They will be given more and more priorities in the society. And here the responsible government as well as the legitimate government which will involve all citizens in the nations, and here both the citizens will be having equal participations in the process as well as in the success of democracy. So my dear children, here we understood that democracy is always giving importance to each and every one in the society, because it is promoting unity, it is promoting the dignity of the citizens, the freedom of the citizens, and at the same time equality of citizens. And here, in spite of having the social differences in the democratic structures of government, we have understood that it is providing a platform to deal with different kind of differences in the society. It is accommodating the different social groups. It is providing equality in the society. It is providing equal importance to each and every social groups in the society. That is why the moral region stresses that the power sharing is very important, because it is the spirit of democracy. And in democratic structures of government, the equality, the freedom, the dignity, and the platform to deal with social differences, all these are given more important. So my dear children, here we have understood that because of these two factors, the power sharing is very important. The first factor is prudential regions, and in prudential regions we have understood that if we are not sharing power, there will be conflict, there will be social divisions, there will be social setback, there will be political instability. That is why it is being giving the importance that power sharing is very important, because it is creating a platform to make the society to live together. It is accommodating all social groups to live together. That is why the prudential region stresses that power sharing is having the better result in the society. And the second ones, as we have discussed here, that the moral regions. In moral regions, again it is been said that power sharing is very important. Why? Because it is the spirit of democracy. So since it is a spirit of democracy, all peoples are given equal importance. All citizens are given equal importance to live in the nations. There will not be any kind of discriminations. In spite of having social diversity, there will be unity in the society, because already we have learned about the accommodations process of Belgium. So the leaders of Belgium, they came to understand the social differences in Belgium, and they understood that there is one solution to social differences, that is to give equal importance to each and everyone's in the society. And what they did, they amended the constitutions for 4 times, and they adopted the concepts of accommodations. And according to the concepts of accommodations, both communities, the Dutch communities, the French community, as well as the Germany speaking peoples, all of them were given equal importance in the nations. And when the equal importance was given, there was unity in the society. So my dear children, because of these two factors, we understood that power sharing is very important. Power sharing is very desirable. If we are not sharing power, there will be conflict in the society. There will be disharmony in the society. Due to these two factors, we have understood that power sharing is very important. Thank you so much for listening to me.